Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V21 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and as you can see on the camera are the grid lines. I've applied them just before starting the recording, and it's because I'd like to show you the actual evidence that the reset option will work. So if we are on the camera, all you have to do is to simply tap on this settings icon in the right upper corner, and here let's scroll down to the very bottom. As you can see, we've got the reset option, so just tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so let's confirm. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera, and here we've got the very first evidence that the reset option worked, because we've got the privacy statement, and here we have to agree to it. What's more, after actually getting to the camera, you cannot see the grid lines, so it means that we just successfully reset all the settings to their defaults. So actually this is it. This is how to reset camera settings in your VIVO V21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.